from the point of view going back to the crawl space attic entry. Is right where that pink fluff is, right there. Thanks for having me go up here, Rick. I found that I have a gas line, so when I remodel my kitchen, it may be possible to get a gas stove. So this is right above the crawl space, Rick, where I showed you in the closet near the front of the house. And when we go upstairs and look to the left where the shared wall is, it's this yellow wall where this air register return is, and we're trying to go about maybe a few feet to the right of that and go down the wall in hopes that an electrician could drop some wire. Take a look at the far end, you may see someone sag a Cat 5 line or Cat 6 line to one of my exterior cameras that are already out there, so access to that wall is available.